Alrighty, everybody, bright and early in the morning. Slide it over just a hair. Yeah, see that over there. We go. Perfect. Washing out some t-shites. Trying to get it done before it gets way too hot.
See how this one turns out.
Yeah. We're really interested in this crab claw. That's what I've been calling it. I've just been calling it the crab claw. I don't know what we're gonna call it. I guess opposing bullseyes maybe or something, but
It'll come to us.
yeah. Been deeming it the crab claw. To the inside. Look at that. A lot of bands on that one, aren't there?
Yeah, there was. But hopefully the result was worth it.
What all colors do you use in this one?
I don't remember. There was a lot of colors.
Where did you get this idea from?
This one just came to me.
Let's see what we got. What we got?
Hey.
Ooh, buddy, look at that. Man.
Interesting.
I think it came out pretty good.
Interesting.
Dueling bullseyes. Final form of the crab claw looks pretty nice. Look at that. Oh yeah. Is a nice Scrunch on there? Yeah, I think that came out real good. Real good.
Nice.
Oh yeah.
Well, to the washing machine they go.
And here's the final result. Check that out. Came out pretty good. Off-centered bullseyes. Called it the crab claw when we were making it because that's what it looked like. But yeah, look at that. That came out really good. We're gonna do this again with even more of them. This was just our first attempt at doing multiples. So yeah. Opposing bullseye and scrunch pattern rainbow tie-dye. Check it out. I think it's going up for sale on Etsy too. Alrighty folks, y'all have a wonderful day. We'll see y'all tomorrow.